Hello everyone, Dave here from Showdown. Let's take a little walk around 1994 Corvette Convertible we just got in. A beautiful car, white with a white top, light gray leather interior, all stock, no modifications, 16,000 actual miles. Beautiful car here, guys. Beautiful car. Come out of Naples, Florida. Factory wheels, Goodyear Eagle tires are like new, no road rash on the wheels. Beautiful exterior paint. Spare tire still in the carrier. We've got all the manuals with it. Everything works in this car like it should. 16,000 miles. Getting hard to find them this clean. Top's like new on it. We got it down for the video. We'll take some other photos of the top up. Beautiful interior. Very well taken care of car here. Power seat, power mirrors, locks, windows, all your gauges. Factory Bose system in it. Not the greatest, but it does work. Super clean jam, so you can read all the factory stickers. Heated mirrors. Super clean under the hood here. Car's been well taken care of. Underbody, all white floor pans in it. Look at the passenger side here. So we do have the owner's manuals that go with the sale. Jams are all detailed and cleaned. Really nice car here. Runs and drives fantastic. Air blows cold. Everything works. Even the factory power antenna works. If you have any questions at all, my name's Dave. You can call me anytime. Number is 586-791-0778. ShowdownAuto.com. Thanks for watching. Take care.